I already know the lighting's gonna be insane in this video. It's currently, the sun is setting and then I have some studio lights turned on here, but I am starting to work on the advent calendar. Today is November 13th and these are going out at the end of the month or beginning of December, depending on when we get in all the items, but I figured it's never too early to start on the advent, so I'm currently packing up our bonus item that we'll be including for all of the orders placed during the pre-sale, which was back in July. So this is what we're including as the bonus item. It's a Touchland hydrating hand sanitizer. It's like a spray hand sanitizer. Thought it would be like a cute item to include just as a little thank you to everyone who placed their orders so early. I'm thinking of packing them into these envelopes that I purchased off of Amazon. I ordered like a couple of thousand of these envelopes for Advent, and they are the A7 size, and these are honestly really nice. They are also like have the adhesive already, so I just peel these and stick. But I'm also going to print out little labels so that you know what item is for what day. I'm really excited to get started on the advent. I'm going to print out these labels that I got off of Amazon. These are, let's see, just thermal labels. They're pink, they're rectangular, and then I just pop them into our Rollo. And now I'm printing out the labels that I designed on Canva. It's gonna say the day, and then at the bottom says Sticker Guru Advent. So let's go ahead and print out the bonus day labels. Okay, and then they're just printing out like that. Super cute. We actually did this last year with our advent, but we used these pink circle thermal label stickers, and we also printed them using our Rollo, and that was so convenient. That way we didn't have to print anything out of our printer. Cute. Now we are ready to get packing. We have start here. Let's print the next one. I think we're about to run out of this roll, but luckily I do have another one. So you know what? I think I'm actually going to change this now, so that way I don't have two separate pieces. Okay, I have them all printed out. So organized. I'm gonna go ahead and put them into a box until I need to use them. Okay, I had my parents help me pack some of the advent items last night. So they finished packing the bonus day, and then they also did the washi and another stationery item. Those are the pink ones. So now I'm going to go in and put the day stickers on them. So that way I can keep track and I know which day is what item now that they're in these envelopes. Okay, I'm thinking of putting it like that, or should I put it on the front? We're currently assembling boxes. We already have some assembled here. My mom is currently folding them, and then I'm taping it with our tape, and then so I'm just unboxing this. I also ordered from Uline. We have some tissue paper. This is going to be used for the larger items that won't fit in the envelopes. And then we also have crinkle paper, which will be filler for the box. And then Uline always sends these air packs, so I'm going to save these in case we do need to use them in the boxes. I don't think we will, but just in case, you never know. These are good to have on hand, and they always send so many, so I never have to go and buy any. I just reuse what they send. We have our boxes ready for taping. The office is a mess. Like Casper's toys are here. We have Advent stuff, more boxes that need to be assembled. Just a lot of things going on. Okay, I'm currently downstairs in the basement and I am working on packing up. This is day 12 of the Advent and we're doing a 7x9 little memo pad, and this is what it looks like. Here is the layout. It's like a daily planner layout, which I'm absolutely obsessed with, and I love memo pads. I think these are great to just leave on your desk, and then it's quick and easy to just jot something down on here. So I'm currently wrapping things up in tissue paper, and then I'm sealing it with a sticker, and then here is my finished pile so far. So we have a lot to do. We're actually missing a box. We're supposed to have 6 boxes, but one of them didn't get delivered. I think it's getting delivered today. I'm watching Manifest on Netflix. Casper is over there taking a nap. Okay, Advent update. We have all the stickers now and they've all been chopped up, and now they're ready to be packed into the envelopes and sealed closed. So we have our 2 kits that are going to be in the Advent. We also have journaling kits. We've already packed some more items. Lucy is in the office. Wave. I am gonna have my mom help me pack this all up, and we should be shipping out Advents later this week. Okay, we finally got in our last item that we've been waiting for. This is day 1 of our Advent, and it is a little mini sticker binder. So we have been testing and working on this product since, I want to say June, and we did a couple of like tests. What are they called? Samples. We did a couple of samples of this binder, and we finally got it to be the perfect size. So this is what the cover looks like. Here's the back, has our logo on it, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. So it is a 2-ring binder, and then we have our sleeves, so you can store your stickers in here. I wanted it to be sized to fit quarter size sheets, so it fits these perfectly. And then of course the little foil sheets also fit in here, but if you want you could also like store it like that. But yeah, it comes with, I believe, 20 of these sleeves, and then we have our logo here on the back. But yeah, we've been working on this product. We actually have larger size binders coming to our main shop, hopefully in January. But yeah, we've just been working on these for so long, and I'm so happy with how they turned out. They're literally the perfect size, and I'm excited to hear the feedback. Lucy is currently packing these all up with tissue paper, and then she is putting the day 1 sticker on them. And then over here, we have taken over the downstairs entertainment room. So we have all the boxes on the ping pong table, and then we have boxes on the pool table, and then we have even more boxes lined up on the wall. Okay, we are currently shipping out all the boxes. We've already like filled up half of this box, and then Lucy is over there unloading the rest of the car. Okay, we did it. We unloaded the car and everything fit perfectly in this giant box. Had to move some other people's packages, but we filled up this box entirely. And yeah.